Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get X-ray in Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Optifine. Open the first website. Go to the Downloads tab and make sure to see which version you are downloading. After that, click on Download button and you will be redirected to a new page. Just skip the ad and click on Download button to start the downloading. After that, open a new tab, search for X-ray Ultimate and open the first website. Now go to the Files tab and download the same version as that of Optifine. Now go to the download location, run Optifine, install it and copy the mod file. After that, run the Minecraft launcher. If you have the T launcher, you can download Optifine from inside of it. After downloading and installing Optifine, launch Minecraft, go to Options tab, and then access Resource Packs. Click on Open Pack Folder button and paste the mod file. You can see that the mod has been added successfully. Click on OK to apply it. And that's how you can get X-ray in Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.